to my YouTube channel, and today this roleplay is called the snowstorm, so let's get right into it. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna use my Apple Pencil. The book is broken and it's located at the eye.
Now we're going
It's on its last leg. So, Mommy, I finished bathing. Can I watch Bluey now? Sure, honey, you go watch Bluey. Okay. Please find shelter and stay off the street. Huh? Honey, do you mind coming upstairs real quick? Sorry, Mommy. I need you to stay upstairs. Okay. Look like no more bully for me. Yeah? Do you mind waking your siblings up and telling them that we're under a snowstorm? Sure thing. Bro, my thing is always lagging so hard.
alrighty now.
Sorry about the background noise. That's my sister.
Your sister also goes here too. I forgot about that, okay?
Sissy, wake up. What do you want with this? Mommy want me to wake you up because we're under a snowstorm. Okay, so don't mind why she's sleeping in an oversized shirt. No, an oversized sweatshirt. Then you need to wake up now. Okay, fine. Sissy, wake up. What is it? Mommy want me to wake you up because we're under a snowstorm. Okay.
Okay. Hi, Mr. Jones.
Okay, I think we have to go to Mommy. Okay.
Super. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Me too. Well, Caitlin and Jason have been doing really good to find everything going to make a contract so they can make us laugh. Okay.
We're here, Mom. Okay, so me already told y'all we're under a snowstorm. So the bad news and good news about this is that the good news about this. Wait, there is no good news. Let's just try to make it better. The bad news about this is that we don't have nothing, so we have to quickly run to the store and prepare. So please put some clothes on that are appropriate, and yeah. Okay, Mommy. Okay. Here for me, sis. Boop. Okay, let's go. Girl, no wonder why it's so cold. Yeah, I know. Here, I got something that's supposed to go. What about this? I think that's good. Mom will probably put that on me. See if I have any like that in my wardrobe. I got something. Okay. Here, you go change your far away from me. Okay. Go stop there. Bro, my thing is also laggy. Here you go. That's much better.
enjoy my video. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.
This is much better. Wait, how could we run to the store? So let me bring a wallet, like something. Got my wallet. What? Okay. Here. My favorite outfit's in the wash. I will have to just put this thingy. To put you there. Mommy, I'm ready. Okay, here, let me finish milking. Well, not milking, but like, you know what I mean. Give you your little brother his bottle. Okay. Oh, look like normal bottle then. Okay, I think you're full. Time to put you for your nappy. Y'all don't wrap all these bottles right there. Let me try to find your pacifier. Then you can go sleep. You're like, calm us. I can try it then. Hello? Oh, hi, Jonathan. Hi, Clara. What's up? I wanted to tell you that we're under a snowstorm. What? And I'm far away from home. I'm 30 minutes away. Yeah, me and the kids are about to go run to the store and get some stuff. Oh my god. I'll go see if I can try to come home now, okay? Okay, bye. Bye. Beep. Okay. Okay, so you're ready to go? Yeah. Here, let me put your little baby brother in your stroller. What the? Okay, you know. Sorry. Okay, y'all. Let's go. I think I have the house keys downstairs. Okay, here, everyone. Let's go to the elevator. Follow me. Oh, wrong way, y'all. Here, I need to get a friend since I have the key. My thing is still lagging all the time. Okay, here, let me pull out the key. Here, someone hold this. Ching ching. Okay, let's go. Y'all, is it supposed to disappear like that? Come on, little sis. I'll pick you up. Part 2 of the snowstorm. Okay, come on, let's go. Got the baby right here. Got the key. destination. Let's go because we have to be in and out. Okay, get back to the house. Hello, welcome to the grocery shop. How can I help you today? Hi, we're just here to prepare for the snowstorm. Oh yes, please get everything you can before people start robbing this place. Like, they go crazy. Yeah, I don't actually mean robbing, like stealing stuff. What I mean is like technically how to say this. Technically people buy everything before other people could get their hands to it. Technically. That's what I'm talking about technically. Okay, kids, we're not buying no toys, but if you have your own money, then you can get stuff that you need. Okay, we also gonna go to another shop for some other stuff for this store. Okay. I'm about to go get back. I need someone to hold the baby. Sorry about that. That's just my sister. Here. Someone stay there. Y'all stay right there. I'm about to get some stuff. Tortillas. Okay, so I don't think you could like add the tortillas in. Or the pizza. Okay, come on. What about the pasta? Okay, let's add 2 packs of pasta. Some milk and orange juice. Some milk and orange juice. And tofu. And some meat. I'm going to go to the bank real quick. Okay, I think we're all done. Let me just get some soy sauce real quick. Okay, we're done. Is that everything, ma'am? Yes. Kids, can you bring me all the way real quick? Okay. Here we go. Beep. 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 Let me back everything up. Okay, your total would be $28.46. Here, I think I got that. Oh, right here. Here you go. Oh, I don't think, back, they did credit card, so you have to give some money. Here you go. Okay, thank you. Go to sleep right there. Okay, have a good day, ma'am. You too. Come on, kids. Coming. Oh, yeah, money, please. Can you some stuff? I'm about to go get some stuff for you. Okay, be right back. Yes, right here, these two. something to check out. Ready to check out? Ready? Ding! You're free to go, ma'am. Thanks. Okay, we can head back home. Okay. Ready? Here, excuse me, let me get in front. Got the key. Okay, you hold this. Hey, Mama. Come on, kids, let's go and let's out, and then I go see if your dad got anything like brought like at least a heater or a few heaters. We need to go around with some blankets and stuff. Okay, here. Y'all can go upstairs, and we got flashlight just in case the power goes out. Right there. Y'all go set up upstairs. I'm about to throw this stuff in. Hold on a minute. I'm just gonna start up the ones. And I need to get rid of this back. Go just throw it in here. Okay, so come on kids, we can settle in. Here, what I have, here, let me unbox it. Okay, I guess that's good. Come on. Go set up in your room. Go call your father back. Wait for him to get home. Okay. Anyhow. Come on, little baby. I was watching one of my other videos. I'm probably pausing. Okay. I'm about to go sit in my room. Probably go back to bed, take a nap. So tired. This mirror got chillier. I think it just got chillier. Yeah?
I was not loud enough.
Again?
I was like trying to speak.
I'm cold. Yeah, the upper was these. Bro, my thing is lagging. It's a billion times. Mom, hold on a minute. Okay. If this lags one more time. Mom. Yeah, honey, I'm cold. And just like lay down or something. Okay. You know, I'm gonna just go to bed. Honestly, I need to. Yeah, go just call your father. Okay, so should I put you back to bed? Pastor not pee. Hello? Hi, Jonathan. My sister known. How are you doing? I'm good. I'm about to go to the right now. We'll try to fight here. Okay. Be safe. You too. Which is like, I guess you're like, okay, I'm on it. Go. Why is it so cold? I'm just gonna go to bed. It feels so cold. Go finish. Go put on my iPad. Come back to the part. Wait, no. No. I go back to part 4, my bad. Well, I can show you all of this. Just have more stuff with this thing. There's a few more stuffs. Someone let me in. Jonathan.
I'm gonna eat this that I found under the bed. I'm gonna take a look. I don't care if it's expired.
Y'all pretend you're gonna get turkey. Ching ching. I found a heater. Just with the last one. That's good. Here, bring it in. Okay. Put it in the living room. Okay. I need a flashlight. Okay, I think we should be good to go. Okay. Here, you go get into bed. Okay.
My voice.
Okay, come on. Come on, honey. Come on, Jonathan. Here, get comfortable. Okay. Go lay to bed for a minute. Okay. 30. Wait. Ah! Mommy, the power went off. The power went off. The power went off. You're everywhere, honey. Wait. Look what you did. You wake up your baby brother. Okay, we all have to go downstairs. I'm going to wake up your siblings. Wake up, Emily. What is it? What is it? Don't you dare speak to me like that. Well, anyway, get up. The power went off. Okay. Let me leave through my phone. Your phone, kid? Claire. Claire, wake up. What is it? The power went out and you need to go downstairs. Okay? Okay, you might just bring my phone. Come on, let's go. Oh, here, let me get the baby. He cannot be upstairs. Wait. Mom? Yeah. And the elevator electricity? No. We can't go downstairs, y'all. Because the elevator's broken down. I can go try. Okay, go try. Maybe it's still working. Maybe just the light went off. It's working. Never mind. Okay. Okay, y'all. Let's go. You know, use my iPad. Okay, let's all go. Okay. Come back. Now come. Oh my god. It's okay. Y'all, I'm get used to this. I promise I get used to this. Part 5 of the snowstorm. Okay, I guess I could play Blue on the TV since, Mia, you don't have a personal hotspot. What's that? Y'all, if y'all don't know what personal hotspot is, that's technically, it's that app. Technically, let's just say you're in the car and, you don't have internet. Technically, you scroll down where the, like, you can see, like, the percentage. There's this thing called personal hotspot. You click on it, and it turns green this out like you have internet. So I could turn on blue for you. I'll put that there for now. Okay.
Oh, wow.
I love this episode. Like, all you do, let me get the light on. Because we have extra light. Here, I'll put your baby right there, here. Okay, baby, please stop crying. Every light came on. Okay, it's on. That helped a little bit. I'm about to just make some dinner because clearly It's almost noon, like it's on here. Can we turn the heater? There we go, the heater's on. Where's the... I'm coming, honey. Clara. Yeah? I'm about to go, and, like, fix, like, everyone's hot cooker, could I say? Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5. 3. So we already got 5. Yeah, this small baby one. Okay. We're back. Not everyone wants the same thing for dinner, but we're gonna actually make some rice. This one, I'm not worried about preparing a full-course meal. Y'all pretend that this actually don't pretend because that cooking. Okay, yeah, after this, y'all have to go to bed, okay? Here, drink that, cocoa tea, whatever it's called. Whatever y'all want to call it. Here you go, baby, drink that up. Okay, just try dessert, guys. Here you go. Please put the electronics up there. Okay. Here's your dirty rice, and here's the other part of dirty rice. Let me put the tea away. And then now everyone drink and eat. Oh wait, that was the teenager's cup. Okay. Let me bring all the dishes to the sink and then we gotta go to bed. Oh, it's not really long. Okay, yo. There's barely any room. We just have to figure out this. Ready? So it's just a barely any room to bed, okay? And that's it for this roleplay. If you like it, like and subscribe and come back to my channel for any other roleplays. But yeah, that's it for this roleplay. Bye.